Raider Power Tools presents Impact Drill RDP ID18. Comfortable handle for secure grip. Keyless chuck for fast and easy change of tools.
Rotational direction switch.
Adjustable speed settings.
Drilling impact drilling selector switch.
Idle speed 2,900 rates per minute. Grip range of the chuck from 1 to 13 millimeters. Maximum drill diameter in concrete 16 millimeters. Maximum drill diameter in metal 13 millimeters. Maximum drill diameter in wood 25 millimeters. Comes in a case with additional accessories. Power 800 watts. Weight 2.22 kilograms.